Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about backing up your phone contacts on your Google account on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the Settings gear button, and then you want to select your Google account icon on the top right. Go ahead and select that. You want to scroll over on the top tabs until you locate the People and Sharing tab and select it. Underneath Contacts, go ahead and select your contacts on the list here. So it should say Contacts. Up at the top, you have a couple options. There's one little icon next to the three-dotted icon. If you select it, you can actually then have a shareable link. You can copy and paste that or then share it through one of the messages icons down here. If you click out of here, another option is to click the little up arrow next to the name column up at the top. If you select that, there's an option to export to Google CSV file. You could do CSV for Outlook only. You could also do a vCard for Android or iOS and then select export. So that's another way to share it too. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.